Every breakthrough begins with a single spark. From the very start, ASUS equipped gamers to explore more. When pixels became worlds, driven by revolutionary technology that redefined realism, games became communities for exploration, creation, and victory. We chased that spark into uncharted frontiers, igniting screens across the world. So many firsts, each one a step forward, shared with those who play, create, and dream with us.
Hello, guys.
Realism accelerated and creativity expanded to a place where imagination feels real, every move feels sharper. Though everything changes, our mission remains the same: to empower breakthroughs and to keep pushing the boundaries of performance for teammates past and teammates yet to come. Every frame you render, every world you create, cheers to every teammate we've stood with, every creator, every dreamer. We build for the battles that bring us together.